Linda and I have owned this studio for just about 3 years. April 1st will be year 3. And we're excited to be here with you today and share our story.
SpeedPro was #1 on my list because I felt it was exciting. The print industry is fun and creative. We purchased this from the prior owner, and it was a good opportunity for us to step in and learn to grow.
So let's go take a look at some stuff. I'm going to bring you back here to these printers against this back wall first. These are called roll-to-roll printers. They're a latex printer. And we had one of these in-house when we bought it. So one of the first things we did about a year after we bought the studio was to buy a second printer. So that was a great addition to the studio. That was one of our first additions. In terms of our most recent additions, I bring you to the center of our studio to our flatbed printer, which is quite new, has really only been in this building about a month. And this brings a lot more flexibility to our operation. We could print on wood if we wanted to. We print on acrylic, and this is going to be a lifesaver for us. It will make us a lot faster and really a lot more efficient, and just give us so many more options about what we can do. From here, I'll bring you over to our kind of what I guess I'll call it our finishing table. If we have to do mounting, cutting, and so forth, this is where that work will be done. And right here at the end of it is our laminator, which many of our products end up outdoors for extended periods of time, so we do laminate them to protect them. This is Linda, obviously my sidekick. This is her office where she conducts business, interacts with clients and so forth, and she's done a great job of decorating her office, I will point that out. Not decorated as nicely as Linda's, but this is where I camp out and do my work on a daily basis. Now I'm gonna bring you back to our garage. So we do quite a few vehicle wraps. That's really about 1/3 of our business, which is not uncommon in the industry. So I'm gonna bring you to our garage because this is what you're gonna wanna have if you have a SpeedPro. We can bring vans in here, we can bring trucks in here, and obviously it's a great environment for wrapping vehicles. And then I introduce you to our Colex CNC cutter. Prior to this, anything we cut was basically hand cut, okay? So we were limited. This now gives us the ability to do that. So again, really expands our platform in terms of capacity and flexibility. That's your nickel tour of our studio. I hope it's been helpful. We encourage you folks to reach out to us here at SpeedPro Nashville South. We'd love to have dialogue with you, really about the experience of learning about and owning and running a SpeedPro franchise.